To do this problem, we need to begin with applying our power laws down here in the denominator. So my numerator will stay the same. So this will be the 12a to the 8th, b to the negative 7th. In the denominator, when I distribute this squared to all of the pieces, I have a 4 squared, a to the negative 4th because we multiplied those exponents, and b to the negative 12th. Then we're going to apply the division rules, which tells us to subtract our exponents. First of all, I'm going to simplify my numerator and my denominator. It's a 12 and a 16. And then I'm going to have a to the 8th minus a negative 4 and b to the negative 7th minus a negative 12th. So that's going to look like 12 over 16 will reduce both of them by 4s and give me a 3 over 4. This will be a to the minus a negative means plus a positive, so that'll be a 12, plus a positive here, and this will be b to the 5th.